Your AI just lied to you with confidence, with sources, with detail. And here is the wild part. It didn't do it because it is broken. It did it because of you. Yes, you who is watching me. Let me explain. If you've used ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, any of them, you've had this moment. It gives you an answer that sounds perfect. You go to verify it, and it's completely made up. A book that doesn't exist, a study nobody published, a quote nobody ever said. We call this an hallucination. Anthropic just put out a fascinating video, guys. I will drop it in the description, and you have to watch it. But today I want to give you what nobody talks about, why it happens, and the one-line fix that will save you hours. A quick recap. For the new people, on this channel, I talked about the 5 levels of mastering AI. You know, the casual chatter, the context director, and so forth. Today's fix lives at level 2, because the difference between an AI that lies to you and AI that actually helps you is the context you set before you ask the question. Here's what really happening when AI hallucinates. An AI model was trained on one core assumption. When you ask a question, you expect an answer. Not "I don't know," an answer. So when it doesn't actually know something, it does something that feels statistically right. It generates the most plausible sounding response. It fills the gap. Actually, it fills the gap. Now stop and think about this. It's exactly like a human being. Picture someone everyone sees as the smart one in the room, the expert, the person who always knows. Someone asks them a question and they don't know the answer. What do most people in that position do? They don't say, "I have no clue, I have no idea." They start talking, they reason out loud, they sound confident, they protect their reputation, they invent things. So AI does the exact same thing, not because it wants to lie, but because the system that trained it rewarded sounding right over admitting uncertainty. Here's the trick. Before you ask a serious question, you tell the AI explicitly something like this. If you do not know the answer, say you don't know. Do not invent facts, sources, name, or quotes. If you are uncertain, tell me your confidence level. That's it. One sentence. It sounds basic, but you just did something powerful. You gave the AI permission to say, "I don't know." You removed the pressure to perform. That is level 2, context director. You are not just asking the AI, you are setting the rules of the conversation. It's like you are dating with someone, you set the conditions, you say, "I don't want you to lie to me." You know it. So guys, go watch Anthropic's video. Link is in the description. It gets technical and it's genuinely fascinating. If you want the full 5-level framework, I covered it in the previous video. So thank you for watching this video. Follow the page. Peace.